In this video, I will show you how to open head-to-head in FIFA Mobile. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is open up FC or FIFA Mobile on our device. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is come and press onto play just over here on the right hand side. Then what you need to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and press onto Division Rivals. So this way you can come to actually go head to head. As you can see, the option is here to go head to head. This could be locked if you're quite new to the game. Now, in order to unlock this, what you need to do is come and click onto this target up in the top right hand corner. You actually need to go ahead and complete the lessons. So that's going to be the FC Lessons Beginner and the FC Lessons Advanced. But once you've gone ahead and completed those goals, you're going to unlock the Division Rivals, and when you press onto this, you can go ahead and start playing head-to-head with an opponent. So that is how to go ahead and play head-to-head in FIFA Mobile. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.